Hi, welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. I'm Brenda, and today we are doing a little decorating. Christmas decorations. Love it, love it. I know a lot of people already have theirs up, but it's just always been my thing to wait until the first Saturday after Thanksgiving to do this. So I don't go all out. I think I put just enough. And my Thomas is here to help.
Oh.
With decorating, and we got a little crafting that's going to happen too. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pan around in the kitchen here, let y'all see what it looks like. I've already took all the fall decorations down, I hope. You know how sometimes you miss something. But I hope I've got everything took down. And I know a lot of the typical things that I have up, I've already took those out of here too. But just going to do a quick little pan and let you all see what it looks like before, and then we'll do an after. I'm not going to do the whole watch us decorate thing, because we've purchased a few other things that we haven't used before, and I don't want my indecisiveness to show. So, but I've already got the bathroom done, but I forgot to take pictures of it beforehand. I'll put that in here. Let me go show you all. Like I said, I don't do a whole lot of stuff, but matter of fact, I've never even done the bathroom before. But of course, as you can tell by the octopus, maybe not, I don't know. We typically have this as a seaside decoration. All of the things that you see that I've decorated with were purchased at either Walmart or the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. I usually have towels in that, so I thought that was kind of cute. And this, actually, this big old gift hanging here on the wall, that's actually a picture of of some shells and stuff, like seaside shells. And I didn't want, I didn't want to take it down, but I thought, how cute would that be? So, there's that. And I'll put a few little things from the Dollar Tree, those little snowflakes. But, yeah, that guy he was going to hang out there, but he needed something to Christmas himself up, so. And then all I did with my soap dispensers, I just wrapped it with a treat bag and put a bow on it. And then this, and then my son gave me this. Isn't it pretty? Isn't that just the prettiest vase? I thought it went great with all that. But that's that. And we're going to get started on this kitchen, and we'll be back soon. Okay. And here's our little crafted wreaths. We flocked them. Add the ribbon, put a little bell on it. We're just going to do it kind of simple. And then we've got one done over there already. We put our command hooks up several days ago to give them plenty of time. And then that's just a little bow, y'all. That's all it is. Just a little bow. But we put our command hooks up several days ago, so in hopes that it wouldn't fall. Y'all know how that happens with those hooks. I never trust them fully. But what do you think? Like I said, we just want to do simple. We don't want to go too much. Just a couple little bows, some ribbon, a couple little wreaths. All that's from Hobby Lobby. So we got one more to do, and we'll be back soon. Hi, welcome back to our home. I'm Brenda with Nana's Hidden Apron, of course. We finally, this is the next day. We went to church, we went to the grocery, we came back, and we finished up our decorating. For now. You never know what may come about. But this is what we've done. We have our mantle, our fireplace. It's a full fireplace. Most of what we have here either came from Hobby Lobby, the Dollar Tree, LTD Commodities, things that my parents gave us, things that we purchased at a yard sale. Thank you, Dennis, my brother-in-law. Things that we purchased. Look, aren't these beautiful? We got these at one of the thrift stores here in town. Gorgeous. There was 3 of them, and I think we gave like $1 for them. But I always tried to do a little something with the rocking chair that my dad gave me. And then here we have our Christmas tree. We've had this tree for 10 years, and we were talking about maybe getting us a new one next year. It tends to lose a lot of its little greenery, so we think we're going to get us a new one. Some of these are brand new ornaments. Some of these have been around for 30 years or more. And then we have Brinkley that loves the Christmas tree. And that's our new topper that we got from Hobby Lobby this year. Very pretty. I love the berries and stuff on it. Made with the grapevine. Love it. And then we also got this swag. I'm thinking about maybe putting some lights in it. What do y'all think? I think it needs a little something to add to it so you can see it. I mean, I can see it fine. But there. Did that help any? It has the bells that have been aged, pine cones, the berries, and then just greenery. And it also has some burlap on it. I just think it's really pretty. Our oldest son came by just in time. Tom and I were fixing to put this up, and he came by before he was heading back out to Florida where he works. So we got that at a yard sale for $2. That's a Thomas Kincaid, by the way. My favorite artist. This, you can put the little incense in it and smoke comes out his mouth. I just don't care much for the smell of incense. I've had this little tree forever. Got it from LTD Commodities. That, I believe I got it from LTD Commodities also. I usually get a lot of stuff from LTD Commodities. Most of the Christmas decorations are LTD Commodities, or Hobby Lobby, or Dollar Tree, or from thrift store. We got that little sign there from the thrift store. Not a little sign, actually, it's big. And then my gnomes that I made, they're hanging out down here. Can you see them? They're hanging out down there, keeping charge of that lonely little Santa. And then over here we have Tom's favorite little thing, his little village that he made from all Dollar Tree stuff. We've got lights up underneath of it. And then, of course, we have lights in each one of the buildings. But taking advice from others, if I can find the switch. There we go. We put some little fairy lights up under it. which I think it makes it look really cute. And then you saw if you didn't, I've got a vlog on how to do these candy canes with Dollar Tree, the big Dollar Tree candy canes. And then we have our swag on the door, our snowman who blesses all that enter. And then we have, this is an egg. Tom, you'll have to tell them. It's an egg with carolers in it.
Kind of reminds me of a Fabergé, but that's not quite what it is.
Mm-hmm. And then we have a Sarah that's sitting there watching everything that's happening. And then to the left of Tom, we have a Brinkley that's following around, wondering why we're bothering his Christmas ornaments and his Christmas decorations. Believe me, there he is. He loves them. And then we showed you all the kitchen. We can do a little one here with the daylight, with some daylight about it. We've got one of the shades open out back there where we let the dogs in and out. That way we can see them when they come up there scratching on the door. Paying attention to the big roaster. We just bought it today. It's in the sink. We just bought it today and washed it up. Get it ready for Christmas. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Christmas, Christmas. And then, I tell you, one of my favorite things is our wreath that we made, that we hung up there on the doors, and that we put here on the chairs. I love this idea. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. Thought about it many times, but I just didn't do it, and I don't know why. Don't know why. And then I like all my little where'd we get that at? Hobby Lobby. My little Hobby Lobby fixed. This actually belonged to my children's great-great-grandmother. And I was very blessed to get that cake plate. And then we have our little Christmas tree that we got at Dollar General. Yeah, it's got the little red truck on it. Maybe we can get just a little bit closer so you all can see. We put some little candy cane fairy lights on it from the Dollar Tree, which turned out really cute. And then some ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I got this cookie jar, this cute little reindeer. I got him about 25 years ago from QVC. And then here's our window we decorated. These actually light up, and then the oil inside of them heats up, and the glitter that's in there will start moving around. It's really pretty. I have to show it to you. And then I don't remember where this came from. I don't have a clue. It's for a little tea light. And then this little set here, I also got this from QVC the same time that I got the reindeer. And, other than a few little this and that's, well, and then we'll take you all back and let you see the bathroom. But I think, other than that, we're good. We do have a few things in our, sorry, that's walking a little close to you, wasn't it? A few things in our bedroom that we've done, just to try to brighten it up a little bit. And then here's a little Christmas tree right here. And then our bedroom, I have to turn a light on for you. We have our Christmas colors for our quilt. We got this at Walmart, along the shams came with it. And this is the pillows that I made with the cardinals. And then this is this fabric I got at Hobby Lobby. And these I made from some Christmas napkins that we purchased. A bag of them, actually. I think there was like 12 different types of Christmas napkins. And I got them at a yard sale for $2. Yay. I love it. And then the berries that I put up here, a lot of that, along with my cardinals. Cardinal's my favorite bird. Always has been. I think they're beautiful. Kentucky state bird. Love it. And then I've got these, which we got at a little store in Renfro Valley here in Kentucky. If you ever come through here, check them out. They're in Pulaski County? No.
McCreary
It's
County.
in McCreary County. Check it out. It's a lot of bluegrass music. A lot of well-known artists stop in there. And then we have the curtain that I made. Again, this fabric came from Hobby Lobby. But other than that, we're good. That's it. That's our tour. Like I said, we don't go grand with everything. We just do what's comfortable for us. And our main thing is our kitchen, the dining area, and our living room. And we're super, super excited to see our grandchildren with their little faces light up when they see all that we have done, especially for them. Okay. For me too. For Tom. We love it. We really do. But thank you all so much for joining us and for watching our vlogs, my vlogs. If you haven't yet, I would appreciate if you would subscribe. Just click that little subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It just helps me out. It lets YouTube know that people are coming and watching my vlogs and you appreciate it. If you have any suggestions on stuff you want me to try, or any recipes that I've got, you can go to my Facebook page. That's at Nana's Hidden Apron. It's also handcrafted by. And you can get a lot of the recipes that I've got. But if you do subscribe, you click this little dinner bell up here. You get notifications of when I put a new vlog on. Okay, when Tom puts a new vlog on for me. He does that stuff. That's his thing. This is mine. But you all, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We did. Our kids, we got to see our kids. We were so happy. Everybody got full tummies. And, you know, grandkids, mother. We got to see everybody. We were happy with that. But you all have a good week. This is Sunday. We're going to try to get this on for you guys, like, super quick. This is Sunday. So, you know, new week coming up with work and everything after everybody's holiday. You all take care. Be safe. A lot of people are getting a lot of snow right now. They're predicting some snow for our area. So, everybody be safe. And just calm down. Relax. Relax. Enjoy this season. Take care, you all. I appreciate you. See ya.